What's up, YouTube friends? It's Joshua here with saltyscales.com, and today is How To Thursday. So what better than to show you how to tie a knot on How To Thursday. I'm actually going to show you and teach you how to tie the Davy knot. Now this knot I've never personally used on the water, but I learned about it the other day and I started practicing it. And guys, it doesn't take much. There isn't much to this knot, and that's why I want to show it to you. It's very simple, and it probably could easily take the place of the clinch knot for simplicity and speed. But in the meantime, there's something out of place. Something hovering around, something in the frame. Whoever is the first to find it, as long as you're subscribed and you have the bell notifications on and comment below, you could be the winner. But it has to be the first one to comment, first one to find it. So make sure you're playing. Pay attention. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, or the end of the video. Let's go learn how to tie the Davy knot. First steps first, you take your hook or your fishing lure, run your line through the eyelet of your hook, just like that. Alright, give yourself a little bit of line to work with. Now what you want to do is go over the main line. So over this main line and through the loop. Alright, so you should be here. Now all you got to do is take this main line and wrap it back around the loop and through the hole. And then you just slowly pull it tight. Use a little saliva, cinch it down nice and tight. Should look just like that. Now look how tight I'm pulling that thing hard. And that's what we got. Alright, the Davy knot. Go through the eyelet of the hook or the lure. And we got some rain, yay. Alright, pull the excess line out. Go over the main line and through the loop. So you should be here. Now you want to go around this line here and then back through the loop. Hold your tag in, hold your hook, pull the main line simultaneously to get a nice, almost a figure 8 look. Now watch this, as you cinch it down, it seats down on the top of the eyelet, just like that. You trim your tag, and yeehaw, you're ready to fish. Alrighty, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how to tie the Davy's knot. If you did, please give a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know, have you used this knot before? What's your thoughts about it? Also, Sunday's video is on the Bear Monday. Oh boy, did we have some fun. Tune in. I'll probably be publishing that early in the AM, maybe somewhere around 9 AM Sunday morning. Again, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and welcome aboard. Till next time, we'll see you on the water.